This is a public service announcement. A few friends and I were playing with this guy, and he didn't seem like a weirdo, so we want to find him. This is his account of the time we spent with him.
Yeah, this is not gonna work.
What do you mean this isn't gonna work? It's gonna go crazy. Alright, we jump in.
Well, at least some of us were
3,
confident.
2, 1, go.
Hospital, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Where is that?
Alright.
You better hope you find a good gun
Fucking hell.
and can aim.
I'm a survivor.
Well, let's just look around and see if there's any. You're so
found my-
far away.
When I found my dragon blade,
And then he spoke.
You're a dragon blade.
Number one, if you can hear me, will you come with me so I have backup?
But we're in
Oh,
Discord as well as in.
Yinkalan, shit that ye.
oh my god.
And spoke.
What?
You need to press push to talk, Jesse.
Yinkalan, shit that ye. It means England number one. So I actually fucking learnt Chinese because that's how fucking sad
And
I
spoke.
I respect that.
He's definitely one of the more vocal companions we've had.
This guy is fucking weird.
am. Where you guys from? Are you definitely from England? I know that one for sure.
Jesse, I'll come and pick you up.
I'm from Slovenia.
Oh yeah.
you're here,
Oh
never mind.
shit. Got me there.
No, can't lie. I'm from London.
No, you actually got me then. What the hell?
She's
Well, I'm
worried,
drinking,
to be
but I'm
fair.
Where are you from, mate? Which part of England?
Hey, I'm from
Wait,
Hartlepool, but basically
Damn.
Middlesbrough.
I was gonna guess.
Ah,
northeast.
Middlesbrough, okay.
That's
Yeah,
that's
like my
quick.
town's the town near that one.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Feel sorry, Dan. Feel sorry for me.
Absolute savage. A bit.
Yeah.
It's fine. Newcastle's quite nice.
Yeah, I like Newcastle. We go
Literally get a
now
pint
and
for like
again, me and my
£1.
family.
£1.80.
Yeah, dude.
You
Yeah.
actually changed my life.
Wait, what? For
You beat me,
£1?
sound like you beat.
£1.80. Yeah, it's insane. They have a shop. They have a shopping centre that's just bars. It's mental.
Yeah.
Is it to drink away your sorrows for being in Newcastle?
It's actually amazing.
What else is Newcastle for?
Alan
Literally-
Shearer.
Because literally, all you
Oh, yeah,
guys
true,
are doing
true,
is
true.
drinking. That's about it. Like, that's all I've heard.
That's
That's
all
all he
happens
has
in
to do.
Newcastle.
Yeah, and in my town, just drink.
It was a pretty nice conversation, if I do say so myself.
Can't complain.
I was just leisurely picking up loot anyway.
So, what you's doing tonight anyway? Just hitting the PUBG or something?
Pretty much.
PUBG and actual acronym that people use. I don't
Yeah,
know
because
if
why are you gonna
that.
say Players Unknown's Battlegrounds?
Oh, my
I was
apologies.
about to steal that from you.
I'm not gonna lie.
You're lucky.
Number one, your fucking mic keeps cutting out, mate. I can't understand sometimes.
I'm not holding the button on that.
Oh, do you have?
At this point, I was thinking of running some more games with him. But the others, they were a bit skeptical.
Do you want to do you guys want to invite this guy to our friends list? He sounds kind of like.
Let's leave it for now. We'll see how it goes, innit? No, because
We'll see how it goes. My guy said he always has his microphone on because he wants to speak to people. That's just
Bro, trust me, I've been with people where next thing you know they're dropping M-bombs and you're like, I thought you were cool, man. What the fuck?
Yeah, that is PUBG for you. So yeah.
You little fucking nigger, Colin Turney got fucking hacked. I just fucking scammed you of $100. You little fucking nigger, suck my little cock.
Okay.
So we waited.
I just feel upset.
I
Nice
need
one.
ammo.
I can hear you now. You don't sound like a fucking robot.
Alright. That is only personal.
No, like, you would sound like a robot. Your thing was going like, I don't know. It just sounded funny.
This guy's accent makes me like, oh.
I don't get personal, mate. Life's too fucking short to get personal.
See, this guy's just trying to make friends, man. Why you shut him to your friends list? I don't even have a shotgun anymore.
Anyway, I've got a fucking English team. I'm gonna make the most of this one, boys. Let's do this. Let's win.
Yeah.
He thinks I'm not.
You need
You
to
think
calm
I'm
down,
a
mate.
bad dog,
Oh my god.
What do you mean? This guy's been in, like, he's been with Chinese people all this time.
I found the Dragon Blade. I've actually got it. Where'd it go?
You talking about the machete?
Yeah, boy.
Bro, you need to stop paying so much Overwatch. Fucking Dragon Blade.
The best
I
weapon.
wasn't sure if we were gonna win,
in the game is the
but at least it would be
pan,
fun.
Okay.
How can I pan?
The cast iron skillet blocks bullets. Okay.
We even started talking about
Weapon
cards.
in the game.
Imagine the gadget. I've not seen that for like literally 10 years.
I used to play that one. That was a good one. Actually, the only card game I ever played, to be honest, because of my age group, really.
You never played Pokemon cards?
No, I'm 32 years old, so I never really got into that, you know. I'm pretty sure I would have if I was, you know, a little bit younger.
Did you play Gwent?
Oh, Gwent. Do you fancy a game of Gwent?
It's fucking amazing. Don't talk shit. This guy laughing like it's funny. I was being serious.
Who plays Gwent?
You fight his feelings now, mate.
I know you guys are plebs and you guys don't play real games like The Witcher 3, okay? But I play Gwent, so shut up.
Okay, I know I got a little bit triggered,
Because it's
but
amazing.
You tried to get a Gwent. I just can't fly. So at this point, I was skeptical too, but the others didn't seem to share my opinion. I was a bit confused, to be honest. God, I love Gwent.
I actually played it when I played Witcher 3. I was like the boss man, but
I lost the first game and never played it again. I was like, what is this?
What, you mean in Witcher 3? You lost the first game in Witcher 3.
Yeah, the first game of Gwent, and I was like, this game has no room in my life.
Did you just put cards down and not think about what you're doing?
That's precisely what happened.
See, exactly. If you actually
I
like
fucking love Witcher.
figured out how to play it, it's actually really
It's
good.
more complicated than Snap, and it's not.
So in other words, when you play Irish Snap, you're just like, oh, this is too complicated. Because there's
See?
2 more extra rules.
Sometimes it's your own team who can't be trusted.
It's more complicated than Snap.
To come.
And my faith in us winning was decreasing by the minute. But he did save my life. And he didn't drive in the opposite direction.
I'll try my best, mate, to get there, but it's like drink driving, you know, even on the games.
This guy RPing.
Some vices are hard to quit.
No, I don't want to quit this vice. Fuck that, man. I love it.
Oh my god, I survived.
There we go.
Oh my god, someone shot me!
I may have crashed and died, but I'm in a circle.
You sausages. Well, how did you manage that?
I'm dying.
He even let me drive.
There's this rock and it got in my way, so like, yeah.
Fuck it.
I'm actually
B-Ram,
dead.
you can drive, man. I can't do that.
It's going grey.
We're good.
Sorry, what are you doing?
Which might have been a bad idea. But who knows? Oh. And my faith in us winning was decreasing by the minute. All in all though, he just turned out to be a man looking for some friends online. And I couldn't be mad at that.
Oh, the streets are on fire.
Boss is fresh water. Boss comes from like before that.
What's this expensive to just in a glass bottle? Let's not get fucking.
No, it actually does taste better. I'm not even bullshitting, like. No, but you're
And he was pretty funny too.
What we got? Fucking got, mate.
That was terrible.
Oh my god.
One round, but there's fucking 3 of the guns.
Okay, we're definitely added him. Alright, we'll send you an invite, yeah?
Yeah, we'll send you an invite.
Oh my days, that's great. That's so good.
And now we can't find him. So if anyone can point us in the right direction, it'd be greatly appreciated. If you want more information on my search efforts, check out the post on the website. And if you like the video, leave a like if you so please, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.